Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your tax return online in the UK. First, determine if you need to complete a self-assessment. Many people do not, but if you are self-employed, a company director, or have significant untaxed income, you likely will. Next, you must register for HMRC online services. This process can take up to 10 working days to receive your activation code by post. Once registered, you will receive a Government Gateway user ID. Before you begin, gather all necessary documents. This includes your P60 if you are employed, details of any other income like rental income or dividends, and records of all business expenses. Having these prepared will make the filing process much smoother and quicker. Ensure you have accurate figures for everything, as errors can lead to delays or penalties. This preparation step is crucial for a successful submission. Once logged in, you will navigate through various sections of the online tax return. Carefully input all your income figures, including any earnings from employment, self-employment, or investments. Then, enter your allowable expenses, ensuring they are correctly categorized. The system will guide you step by step, and you can save your progress at any point. Double-check all entries for accuracy before moving to the next section. After completing all sections, take ample time to review your entire tax return. Look for any potential errors or omissions, as these can cause issues later. The system will calculate your tax liability, showing you how much tax you owe or if you are due a refund. Once you are confident everything is correct, submit your return. Remember, the online filing deadline is usually January 31st, and payment is also due by this date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.